What's going on, everyone? Back for the brand new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be doing the bike check today on my BMX bike, and also I will explain why there's a front wheel on the table. I'll explain that in the bike check. So this is my bike. Let's get started. So first off, I'm going to start off with the front wheel that I put on the table. So this is the front wheel that is going to soon be going on the bike. As you can see, it has black spokes and the cage. This is called the cage right here. The cage is silver because the front wheel that I have on the bike now is silver and the spokes are silver too. So this is going to be soon going on the bike. So let's get started with this bike check. So starting off with the front end, I got the Snafu grips. They are super grippy, and they're super beat up because I've had them forever. So that's the left side grip, and this is the right side grip. For my bars, I have the Mongoose signature bars. They are about 5 inches tall and 27 inches wide. Pretty cool. I like them, and I hold on to them for dear life. So moving down to the forks, I have Mongoose red forks. They are super good forks, and they're super scratched up because I've had them forever. I like them, and they're nice. Now moving on to the bottom of the bike, I have the front wheel I was just telling you guys about. This is a Chaos signature front wheel with a Snafu hub attached to it, and I have a built-in hub guard right here so it can hold all of these spokes right here. So yeah, that's my front wheel. And the tire, I have a 20 by 3.25 Mongoose signature tire. I really like it, and yeah, it's good. Moving on to the bottom bracket, I don't run a guard in here. I just keep it plain like that. A nut just fell onto my dad's grill. But yeah, for my cranks, I run the Mongoose signature cranks. These are the best cranks. They're 3-piece cranks. They're pretty good. They're a little worn out. They are, I believe, last I checked, these are 150 millimeters. I think. I'm not sure, but that's the last that I checked. I do run right-hand drive, and these pedals attached to the cranks. These are, I actually have no idea what pedals these are. These were just on the bike when I came, but they're super good. They're metal, which is the worst. So yeah, it's the bottom area of the bike. So moving on to the other side of the bottom bracket, I have a right-hand drive sprocket. It's a 28 tooth sprocket, and I run a crank bolt on the other side here. It's pretty good, and I like it. And attached to the sprocket was once an Odyssey keychain, and it's all rusty because I've had it forever. It's pretty good. I like it. This is the other crank over here. This one's pretty beat up too. And moving on to the back wheel, I have a free coaster hub because I think a free coaster is a little bit better than a cassette. Because free coasters, it's easier for you to go fakie, and this is a six tooth flywheel. I didn't think about it a second. My back wheel super beat up. It's an old back wheel, and yeah, I run right-hand drive because I'm just too lazy to buy a left-hand drive flywheel. And yeah, and then we have the other tire, the 20 by 2.35 Mongoose nylon tire. It's a really good tire, but I need new ones. So yeah, that's the back end of the bike. Moving on to the seat, I have a Mongoose signature seat. It's pretty soft. It's not that bad. It's pretty comfortable too. It's nice and I like it. Now moving on to the frame, I have a Mongoose Raid freestyle frame. It's by far the coolest color looking frame that I've had to this day, I'd say. In some parts it's a little bit brighter or a little bit darker because this frame's really old, and yeah, it's really nice. I like it, and it's gonna be changed in a couple weeks maybe. Moving on to the stem, I have a Mongoose chromoly stem. It's pretty cool. I'm running black titanium bolts in here because super lightweight. I like it, and it's nice. So that was my bike check. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If there is anything that you guys want me to go over in the next video, leave it down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, I don't know what the next video may be, but it's gonna be nice. See you guys next time.